Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you will be notified anytime I post a new video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a very simple and easy spring gel X nail design. So I already prepped my nails and applied my peel off base coat off camera as usual, and now I am applying my gel base coat. This is the thinner gel base coat that I use when I need to apply a layer to my nail, and I am using my full covered pump up ballerina shaped nail tips from Makartt to do this nail set. I did pick out my nails off camera, and I am using my Melody Susie UV LED lamp and my Bellavina gel base coat. So this gel base coat is really thick. I like to use this to adhere my nail tips, my full covered nail tips to my nails because of how thick it is. Usually when I use the gel base coat that I used before when I was applying it to my nails, using that to apply my full covered nails is usually a bit difficult to do because it's really thin, so it really doesn't stick the nails down to my nails as good as this Bellavina gel base coat, and it usually leaves a lot of air bubbles when I use that other gel base coat, so that's why I prefer to use the Bellavina. So yes, I did apply some of the nail tips to my nails, and the ones that I didn't apply, I'm going to encapsulate some glitters in those nails. So I'm just going to be using my loose glitters from Makartt. This container came in my Your Nail Lab sub box for the month of February, so I thought I'd use it today. Everything I'm using basically is from the Your Nail Lab sub box for this month, well, except the nail tips. Everything else I'm using is from that. So I did pick out my butterfly glitters that I got in the container. This is the first time I'm using these types of butterflies because I usually use the smaller ones, but I decided to use the larger ones because I like them, and this is the first time I'm using them. So I'm just going to be encapsulating them into the nail tip. So I just apply a bead of the gel base coat, and then I pick up one of the butterfly glitter and place it inside of the nail tip and apply pressure, and then I flash cure it with my LED flashlight. So I'm just going to be doing that for about 3 or 4 glitters on this ring nail right here, and this is an easier way of encapsulating glitters while doing your gel X nail sets, and I think it's such an easy and great way of doing them. So yes, I'm just going to be doing that, and as I said before, most of the items that I'm using in this nail design was from the February Your Nail Lab sub box. So if you all are interested in the sub box, I think if I remember, I would leave a link in the description below so that you all could check it out. So after I applied all of the glitters, I just applied a layer of gel base coat, and then I cured for 30 seconds in my bigger nail lamp. And the reason I'm doing that is to make sure that the glitters are cured and it is sealed inside of the nail tip. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing on my thumb nail. And the gel X nail system is such an easy way of doing nails. Beginners, anyone can do it, so that's why I decided that I would do a little more of the gel X nail system because of how easy it is. Any beginner can understand this and do some great nails in such a short space of time, because this didn't take me long at all. I think it took me probably like an hour to do, and that's because I was doing all other things as well as doing my nails. So it really held me back a lot because I wanted to do a lot of things while doing my nails. But if I was just focusing on doing the nails, I think this would have taken me probably 30 to 45 minutes. But this nail design was so easy to do and such a really nice nail design. So anyway, after doing all of that for the ring nail and the thumbnail, I'm just going to be placing it on my ring nail and my thumbnail and curing with my Melody Susie LED UV nail lamp. One thing I didn't do, which I regret, is not applying enough of the gel base coat inside of those clear nails. I should have applied a lot more because it created some air bubbles in those nails, and I didn't want these nails to have any air bubbles in it because they are clear nails, so I didn't like how it was looking, but I couldn't do anything about it. But that's one thing I regret not doing, was applying enough of the gel base coat. I applied enough, yes, but I didn't apply enough so that I wouldn't get to the air bubbles, if that makes any sense. I don't know how to explain it again, but I needed to apply a lot more, but I didn't. So yes, it's only when I was finished with the nails I realized that. So keep that in mind when you're doing a nail set like this. The rest of the nails, I didn't mind getting air bubbles. I don't think I did get any air bubbles, but I'm not sure. But I would not have mind getting air bubbles in those other nails because I am going to be applying gel polish to those other nails. But the clear nails, I should have paid more attention to them, but I didn't. So anyway, I'm just filing around the cuticle area of these nails just so that I can get a neat application and remove any of the base coat that may have seeped out and get the nails looking really nice. I think this nail set turned out so good. And when I'm finished with that, I will be using my hand file to file the free edge and the sides of the nails just to get that nice crisp shape. And then I'm just buffing the surface of all of the nails to remove the shine. So now I'm just going to be applying my gel base coat to the index, middle and pinky nail. Because I'm going to be applying some gel base coat to those nails, I wanted to lay down a foundation, because when I apply my gel base coat, the gel polish usually goes on a lot better. So I'm just going to be doing that and curing for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using Cafe, which is this nude gel polish, and this is my favorite nude gel polish right now. So I'm just going to be placing that on the middle nail and then curing that for 30 seconds. I am going to be applying about 3 layers of this just to gain full opacity. With 2 layers, the nail is still a little bit translucent, so I apply 3 layers in order to gain that opacity, and I cure each layer for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to be using Buttercup, which is this disco liner gel from Makartt, and I did get this gel polish in the Your Nail Lab sub box for the month of February. I didn't get the nude gel polish in this sub box, by the way. I forgot to mention that. So I'm just going to be applying this disco liner gel to the pinky nail and the index nail, and this is more of a bronze color gel liner. So yes, and I really like how this gel liner was being applied. It was really smooth and I like it. So I did do 3 layers, but it reached full opacity on the second layer. I just did a 3rd layer just because I was enjoying applying this gel polish to my nails. And I'm just going to be applying my Madame Glam matte top coat to the middle nail, and then I cured for 30 seconds. So I guess I didn't clean around the cuticle area like I thought I did. So right now I'm just using my hand file just to go around the cuticle area, just to pick up any of the gel polish that was on the skin. I think it worked a little, but I don't know. But anyway, moving on, I'm just going to be applying the disco liner gel around the edges of the middle nail. Then I cured that for 30 seconds. So this is how the nails are looking so far, and I think it looks really good. Now I'm just going to be top coating around the middle nail. So I just placed some of the gel top coat on my nail palette, and I'm just going around the middle nail top coating the disco liner gel, and then I cured that for 30 seconds. Next, I am going to be top coating the rest of the nails and curing for 30 seconds. And I'm going to be top coating the underside of the clear nails as well and curing that for 30 seconds. So this is how the nails are looking. Now I am just going to be applying my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. So guys, this is the finished look, and I think it turned out really good. It's so simple and so easy to do. Anyone can do it. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.